Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of education law, a crucial yet often overlooked area that affects students, educators, and institutions alike. Whether you're a parent, a student, a teacher, or someone looking to pursue a career in this field, this video will break down everything you need to know about education law. From understanding its basics to exploring job opportunities and the skills you need in this profession, we've got you covered. Let's get started. What is education law? Education law refers to the body of laws and regulations that govern the operation of educational institutions, the rights and responsibilities of students and teachers, and the policies that impact the quality and access to education. These laws help ensure that educational institutions run fairly, safely, and in compliance with federal, state, and local rules. It covers a wide range of areas, including but not limited to student rights, teacher contracts, school policies, special education, discrimination, and privacy laws. Essentially, education law governs how education systems function from kindergarten through to higher education. How does education law work? Education law functions through a combination of federal, state, and local laws. At the federal level, laws like the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, and Title IX ensure students receive appropriate accommodations and that discrimination is prohibited. State laws often regulate teacher certification, school funding, and curriculum standards, while local regulations typically focus on day-to-day school operations. For example, at the federal level, FERPA, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, protects students' educational records. Schools cannot disclose this information without permission from the parent or student. Similarly, Title VI of the Civil Rights Act prohibits discrimination based on race, color, or national origin in programs receiving federal assistance, which includes many educational institutions. At the state level, education law can differ quite a bit depending on where you live. States might regulate class sizes, teacher-student ratios, or even the subjects that schools must teach. Local school boards may also have their own policies, enforcing specific codes of conduct or determining extracurricular activities. Together, these laws form a layered and complex system that ensures every student has the right to a quality education, regardless of background. Why is education law important? Education law is essential because it protects the rights of students and teachers while ensuring educational institutions operate under the rule of law. Without these laws, students may face unfair discrimination, harassment, or unsafe conditions. Education law also ensures that schools remain accountable for providing equitable opportunities for all learners, including those with disabilities or special needs. Take, for example, special education laws. The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, ensures that students with disabilities receive a free appropriate public education, FAPE. This guarantees that students with learning or physical disabilities have the same access to education as other students, often through individualized education programs, or IEPs. Additionally, education law is critical in addressing issues of discrimination. Title IX has played a huge role in ensuring gender equality in education, whether in academics or athletics. Laws like these are crucial to fostering inclusive environments where all students can succeed. Examples of rights guaranteed by education law. Here are some of the most significant rights protected under education law. 1. Right to equal access to education. Every student, regardless of race, gender, disability, or socioeconomic status, is entitled to equal educational opportunities. 2. Freedom from discrimination. Title IX protects students from discrimination based on sex, including protection against sexual harassment. Meanwhile, Title VI of the Civil Rights Act protects students from racial discrimination. 3. Privacy rights. Under the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA, students have the right to keep their educational records confidential. Schools cannot share these records without consent from the student or parent. 4. Right to special education. Under IDEA, students with disabilities are guaranteed appropriate accommodations and services in public schools, ensuring they receive the necessary support to succeed academically. 5. Right to a safe learning environment. Education law also ensures that students have the right to learn in an environment free from violence, harassment, or bullying. Schools must take steps to create safe spaces for all students. Job opportunities in education law. The field of education law offers a wide variety of career paths, including roles in legal practice, policy analysis, and school administration. Let's look at a few options and their national average salaries. 1. Education attorney. Education attorneys work on cases involving student rights, teacher contracts, and school policies. They may represent schools, families, or teachers. Average salary, $90,000 per year. 2. School legal counsel. Many schools and universities employ in-house legal counsel to ensure compliance with education law. These professionals advise administrators and handle legal issues related to the school's operations. Average salary, $95,000 per year. 3. Policy analyst. Policy analysts specializing in education work for government agencies, think tanks, or advocacy groups to craft education policies and analyze their effectiveness. Average salary, $70,000 per year. 4. Education consultant. Education consultants advise schools on legal compliance, policies, and strategies to improve educational outcomes. Average salary, $85,000 per year. 5. Advocates for students with disabilities. These advocates work with families and schools to ensure that students with disabilities receive the services they are entitled to under IDEA and other laws. Average salary, $50,000 per year. Skills required for people in education law. To work in the field of education law, several key skills are essential. 1. Legal knowledge. A deep understanding of local, state, and federal laws that affect educational institutions is crucial. 2. Strong communication skills. Whether you're working as an attorney or a policy analyst, being able to communicate complex legal information in simple terms is vital. 3. Negotiation and mediation. Many education law cases involve resolving disputes between students, parents, teachers, and schools. Strong negotiation and mediation skills help facilitate solutions. 4. Advocacy. Education law professionals must be passionate advocates for fairness, equality, and the rights of all students. 5. Critical thinking and problem solving. You'll need to analyze complex issues, interpret laws, and find solutions that benefit all parties involved in education-related disputes. 6. Attention to detail. Working with legal documents and policies requires a high level of accuracy and attention to detail to avoid errors. 7. Empathy and compassion. Especially when working with students, families, or vulnerable populations, having a deep sense of empathy is key to finding fair solutions. To wrap things up, education law is a vital field that ensures fairness, safety, and equal opportunities for students and educators. It affects every aspect of how schools operate, from the rights of students to the accountability of educational institutions. If you're considering a career in this field, the opportunities are vast, and the impact you can have on individuals and communities is truly profound. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on legal careers and education. See you in the next video.